go ahead and do your pre-purchase inspection for that pre-owned vehicle. I suggest taking it to the manufacturer. So if you're purchasing a Toyota vehicle, take it to a Toyota certified trained technician. He's going to be or she's going to be aware of the ins and outs of that vehicle. They know about the recalls, okay? They're familiar with common issues. Let's say a vehicle is known to have rear end situations, rear end separations, just something with the rear differential. Well, if you take it to a non-Toyota manufacturer to inspect the vehicle, they may overlook some things that's common to the person that manufactured that car, the person that's trained to look at that vehicle for everything from top to bottom, from front to rear. So let's say it has a known problem with the air filter housing just coming apart, what have you. Well, someone of another manufacturer, say a Ford or Chevrolet or somebody, Dodge, they're not familiar with that. And the same thing, if you take it to a Dodge, to a Toyota dealership or a trained technician, same thing. So try, if you can, please take that vehicle. If you're doing a pre-purchase inspection, take it to the certified technician that's trained on that particular vehicle. Again, whether it's Toyota, Dodge, Ford, Chevrolet, whoever the manufacturer is, get that in that trained technician's hands, okay? That's who you want to look at that car, I promise you, all right? Because again, we want them to be what? Familiar with the ins and outs of that vehicle, the door handles, the door regulators, the actuators. These are the things that makes that vehicle work. Even the remotes, the key remotes, all this stuff has to be programmed. So just keep it in the hands of a certified technician for that manufacturer, being whether it's Toyota, Dodge, Chevrolet, whoever. Just get it back to those people. You'll be glad you did.